Synesthetic.
Nation.
Synesthetic.
Nation.
Tell my Starship don't be late, don't be late. Flying off to a better place, better place. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, little star. How I wonder where you are, where you are. Up above the world so high, world so high. Like a diamond in the sky, in the sky. Your chariot awaits, baby. Your chariot awaits, baby. Your chariot awaits, baby. I'm blasting off tonight, tonight, tonight. I'm blasting off tonight, tonight, tonight. You got me out my pivot. I ain't from this world, I'm just here to visit. But you're so exquisite, I'd be a fool not to get them digits. Do you have any children? Who do you live with? She said I blow tree faithfully, but she not religious. Frolicking women, exotic dancing and stripping. Don't split poles, got a nerve to be superstitious. Hair game like beauticians. And they milkshake, bring all the boys to the yard. Need that nutrition, baby powder, fresh out the shower. Old school, keep it pimpin'. With every ending there's a new beginning. But Melchizedek had no beginning, no ending. I keep sending, cause it's still pending. In the meantime, I'm still spending. Rather own instead of renting, rather bone in my home instead of being on a dummy mission. Shout out to my stubborn sisters, more selfish than them selfie pictures. But I love the ones that love to listen, cause I be venting. And I really value the friendship. Baby, I ain't babysitting. Who is your kitten? Can't put me in the friend zone, this is kinship. Loudmouth chicks, love attention, might find me in the mix, but then again might not, cause I blend in. Hate to gamble unless the bet is a win-win. Only fools duck when the truth is thrown. This is wisdom. Yeah. Tell my Starship don't be late.